It's your money, and you
Good morning. It is Vlogmas number 7. Yeah, 7, y'all. So my grandma just said, get out so we go to Denny's and eat some breakfast. We got to be on our way to Denny's and then we're going to hit the mall. And then tonight is party time. I'm so ghetto. Hey, Grannies! I should show them sad. Grannies, y'all. Tootie, Tootie.
And you spending up your money, and then you don't have no money.
Only thing I see is that he fat.
Alright, y'all, so I'm downtown. I still look ratchet. My body know y'all, but it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. It's cold. It's cold. Girl, bye. Okay.
I'm still waiting on Lingerie to buy my brushes, but she has not yet.
Girl, bye.
Oh, look at that. You like the older color? I might like that. I can't do it. What a black.
You just pay the difference if it's a little higher? I don't know.
So, candles on sale.
You're gonna wait? Or?
No, you go ahead. I just had the 20% off.
Great, so 73 and 39 cents for you. Technically discontinued yesterday, but I'll do it for you.
Thank you.
It's the holidays.
You're correct.
58.72 is your total.
Thank you. Alright, y'all, so today is Saturday. This is a party time. I just did my makeup. It's a lingerie party that I'm going to, so I got the lingerie on up under here, but let me just speed. I got the lingerie on up under here. I got the robe though, but I'm about to bring an extra pair of clothes just in case, bitch. I'm about to put this on, you know, in case something change. Y'all, I'm about to show y'all how I get out on a Saturday. It's about to be 1 o'clock. I always leave at 1, but it's 12:30. I'm about to get up out of here, which is cute. Change. Yes, I changed my hair. Y'all changed it. Okay, look, I gotta go. Let's see. Oh, I did have a robe. Okay, y'all found it. I just missed it. Look at these hoes, y'all.
You want to.
That's a good one. Alright, y'all, so I'm just waiting on my friend to come outside. I was playing some music, y'all. Take You Down by Chris Brown, bitch. I'm trying to look to see if she know that I'm outside. Slide at her friend party first real quick just to show her face. Go to this other party. After this other shorty. After this other party, I think the lingerie party, cause this is what we got the what's going on for. Okay, bitch. Ah!
Hey, bitch.
That's cute, bitch.
What do you do?
I got my skirt too, bitch. Cause and they're gonna be thinking we twins or something. Cause I'm gonna put mine on, cause I want to take this off.
What? The jacket? Okay.
That's
cute though.
Okay.
I bought my shirt just in case though, in the bra.
You got another one of those?
What? See?
Nope.
Well, girl, it's for us, girl.
Okay, yes, bitch. Alright, y'all, so we about to go to her friend party first. Just to show her face real quick. Tell them, bitch.
What's up?
Okay.
You see the tape though?
Let me see. Oh, that's cute. Bitch, we went to this first party, but now we at the second one. I was gonna go to this. Oh shit. Okay, bitch. I'm playing my own music and shit.
Get the fuck out of here.
Okay. You irritating. They gonna be like, what you doing? It's Rocky shit. Yeah.
If you got an iPhone.
What the fuck was that?
Yo.
Did you at least get the footage inside there just a little bit? Girl.
Wait.
No.
I did.
You was walking happened back there? Somebody said somebody's vagina was stinking real bad at the party. Why is you saying that out loud?
Yeah.
The music went silent. It just happened. I just heard it. I'm just
Girl,
like,
what the fuck?
ain't nobody gonna say nothing to this. They cut the music off. Talking about somebody stole their phone. Like, y'all still the phones in that hotel. He just drunk. This is crazy.
Man, that probably should have been lit. What the fuck?
We walked in there getting drinks though. Like,
right.
we weren't even there for 2 seconds. Like,
right.
hey,
I just want.
what the fuck that?
Who about that? I'm like, who, right.
That's what you said. Like, who bought this? I'm like, I don't know. I'm trying to figure out.
The drink?
Who pays it to you? Who made it?
Okay.
That was my question. Who made it? Just making sure.
I am fucking
I'm
dying.
lit. I'm lit, so I'm trying to figure out who made it.
I'm laughing at her ass funny as hell.
We got real sexy for these motherfuckers. We could went to the club. Shit, we got too sexy for them.
That's what I said. I got a lingerie and shit. And
I take pictures.
I see bitches in moo.
You hear me? Big ass. What they had on ones? It's talking about lingerie. Where's the lingerie? Ain't nobody had no
right.
one piece on.
Right. And I come in that bitch like, damn.
You hear me?
Okay. Fuck.
It's a
You too, bitch.
That's what I'm saying.
But you also don't look like lingerie. It look more like a I'm going out.
Yeah, me. But I was gonna pop some booty, and the booty was gonna show. That's gonna see lingerie.
True. Okay. What you talking about?
They juking in Jamaican music.
All right. Oh my god.
They playing Mary J. Blige, all type of stuff.
Really? That's something.
That's who was walking out playing, but that thing my jams.
I know they good shit, but not
get in my feelings, start doing
some other shit.
That's crazy. Tonight was supposed to be lit. You sure was supposed to, so we can talk about what the fuck happened in there if you want to.
Thinking about this shit like damn.
Oh wow. You know your heart though. That's all you can do.